Did you know you can create new hanging plants from simple cuttings? Here we have cuttings of a Hoya plant. These were cut right below the nodes of just one stem. Now just fill a glass with water. Time to place the cuttings in the water. And now we wait. Here is the hanging plant on day 2. There's nothing happening yet. Day 3. Remember to keep the hanging plant cuttings in daylight. Day 5. Here are the first sprouts. Day 7. Look at them grow. Day 8. This seems to be going well. Day 12. They need to grow bigger before I can pot them. But they are doing great so far. It won't be long before I have my new hanging plant. Day 16. I'm sorry I skipped a few days. Look how fast this went. I'll pot some of them tomorrow. Day 17. Some are perfect. Here we go. I carefully take out the cuttings. Some have bigger sprouts than the others. Just look at this next one. I sort them out and pot the 3 biggest. Now it's time to prepare the planter. As a bottom layer, I fill the planter with hydro granules. Just a few more now. Here it is filled with soil. Make it nice and muddy with plenty of water. That's what the hanging plant likes. Now it's time to get our hands dirty. I know this looks kind of nasty. Sorry about that. Now that the soil is ready, it's time to plant the hanging plant. Make sure all the roots are buried. And tap down gently. The 3 biggest are planted. But we don't throw anything out. You can see the other cuttings also have sprouts. So we're just going to put them back in the water. And again, we wait. The planter gets a nice space in our home. Close enough to the window for enough daylight. High enough to the ceiling, so it won't get too much direct sunlight.